G'day guys, today I'm going to run through a few points on how to keep your chrome looking better for longer. So there are a few factors that go into this, so it all depends on weather conditions, how often you do clean them, and how close you live to the ocean. So with a chrome finish, there are a few things that we suggest to stay away from, like automatic car washes with bristles. So dust and dirt collects within the bristles of a car wash, and with the chrome finish, if you go through one, you do run the risk of scratching your chrome finish. And anything harsh as like a bug wash or a boat wash or a salt wash, anything along those lines you want to stay away from because they do have acidic qualities in them and can fade away that chrome a lot quicker. And to keep your mirrors in the best condition with the chrome finish, we do recommend a weekly wash or a fortnightly wash, just with soapy water. You want to stay away from anything harsh, so like a boat wash or a bug wash, because they're ammonia based and acidic based. It'll just eat away at the chrome finish, so you want to stay away from them. Just soapy water and a microfiber cloth to get rid of the water droplets and keep it all nice and shiny. If you do want to go that extra mile, we do suggest using a non-abrasive metal-based polish. Autosol is a great brand. We do recommend them. Other than that, there's not much else you need to do.